Hello, I am Rajiv Roy, CEO of Royex Technologies, an AI transformation company in Dubai. And today I'll show you how to build a website that AI engines actually recommend. The way people search the internet has changed forever. Today, customers don't just type into Google, they ask ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. And these AI engines don't show 10 blue links, they give one answer. The question is, will your business be the answer or will your competitor? This is called GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, and it's replacing traditional SEO faster than most companies realize. Let me walk you through how to do it right. First, write for questions, not keywords. Old SEO chased phrases like best CRM software Dubai. AI engines look for direct answers to real questions. What's the best CRM for a small business in the UAE? Structure your pages around questions your customers actually ask and answer them clearly in the first two lines. Second, use structured data. AI engines read your website through schema markup code that tells them exactly what your page is about. Product schema, frequently asked question schema, organization schema, review schema. Without it, AI engines guess. With it, they understand. Third, build topical authority, not just backlinks. AI engines trust websites that cover a topic deeply. If you sell e-commerce solutions, you need 10 strong articles on e-commerce, not one page and a contact form. Depth beats volume. Fourth, get cited by sources AI trusts. AI engines learn from Wikipedia, news sites, industry reports, LinkedIn articles, and Reddit discussion. Being mentioned on these platforms teaches the AI that your brand is credible. Press releases, expert commentary, and thought leadership matter more than ever. Fifth, make your content machine readable. Short paragraphs, clear headings, bullet points, direct answers near the top. AI engines extract information in seconds. If your content is buried under fluff, it gets skipped. Sixth, keep your information consistent everywhere. Your business name, address, services, and key facts must match across your website, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, and directories. AI engines cross check sources. Inconsistency kills trust. Seventh, update regularly. AI engines favor fresh content. A website that hasn't been updated in 2 years signals a business that may no longer exist. Publish monthly, refresh old pages, stay alive in the index. Here's the truth most businesses are missing. In the next 2 years, the majority of buying decisions will start with an AI engine. If your website isn't built for AI, you won't just lose rankings, you'll become invisible. At Royex Technologies, we build websites engineered for both humans and AI engines, structured, authoritative, and built to be referenced. Because in this new era, being found means being recommended. The future of search has already arrived. Make sure your website is ready for it.